Hello everybody. I have a tip for you if you use the GoodNotes app. You probably have realized that an update is available, and if you've downloaded the GoodNotes update, you will notice there are several really cool features. I want to show you two of them actually. So to show you how this works, I'm going to launch GoodNotes. I'm going to go to New Document. And one of the options that pops up now is to scan a document. So this is going to happen pretty quickly. I'm going to click Scan Documents. My iPad camera will activate. You're going to see a page of math problems, and hopefully you'll hear the camera click if things go as they're supposed to. What that's going to do is take a picture of the math page that I have here in front of me. So I'm going to hit Scan Documents. You see the math page come into view. You hear that click, and I'm going to click Save in the lower right corner. Now, you may have heard the click again. The camera keeps scanning. It gives you like 3 seconds to turn the page, and it will scan one more time. That will allow you to batch scan. So if you have a worksheet that has 5 pages, you can just keep turning those pages until you finish with that scan. Now, this is not the best quality of page that I've scanned in here because I'm holding this big iPad Pro. I'm trying to film and I'm trying to keep things in frame. If you're doing this for actual use in a classroom, this is a lot easier to do. So the first thing that I'm going to do, now that my worksheet is scanned in, this is actually a set of problems that a child did. I tutor the child in math, and he's done these homework problems. So we could go over these on Zoom. We could project these on the wall. We could do anything we want to at this point, now that the document is in GoodNotes. I can annotate with a pen. I can highlight. I can do anything that you can do with the normal GoodNotes process. So you could use this in so many ways. In the classroom, you could scan in worksheets that you want to do together. It gives you a little bit of flexibility so that you don't have to plan ahead to do these kinds of things. You can do them on the spur of the moment. One of the things I've used this for is taking pictures in meetings. Maybe you have a PowerPoint or something on the screen that you want to take a picture of. Scan that picture, it brings it in as a PDF, and then you can annotate right there on your iPad. The other feature I want to show you is called Elements, and if you look in the menu ribbon, it's going to be on the left side of the photograph. The mountain with the sun is your photograph import, and the Elements is just to the left of that. It's an ellipse with a star. Elements will allow you to quickly access Post-it notes. Now, one of the things, if I were in a classroom, I would let my students make flashcards that you can move around, maybe have them move and match the definition. You could use this on Google Jamboard to interact with your Zoom class. Another feature of this one I love, because I'm obsessed with math. But you have this coordinate grid paper that you can plop down there. Draw your grid very quickly. You don't have to go search for an image. You have it ready to go. You can do custom images. So if you have a coordinate grid that's already drawn that you want to use, by going to Elements, if you long hold that feature, it will bring up this menu. And you can scroll through there. If you want to add one, you use the plus sign. I'm not sure what, the basketball, this gives you just icons, everyday stickers. There's some stamps, text stamps, that sort of thing. So you can add your own, you can develop your own. There are lots of options with Elements. If you do a lot of mind mapping with your students, if you write essays with mind maps, those features are here too. Flow charts, diagrams, all that is ready to go. So if you use GoodNotes, I love the app. I use it all the time. Those are some really cool new features that are available. If you want to know more about these features, I recommend YouTube. They have lots of, you can learn to do anything on YouTube. You can learn to rebuild a motor on YouTube, or there's nothing you can't find. So search the YouTube for, or the YouTube videos for iPad tips, and you'll find a gold mine. I hope this has helped you. Hope it's something that you can use. And if I find any more, I will make a video about those tips. Hope you have a really good day. Bye-bye.